What's up guys, it's SerenityyDoll and I'm back today with another video for you guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is SerenityyDoll and I'm super excited to have you guys here, so let's be a family. So first and foremost, if you are new, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Also hit this like button if you do like this video, and click that bell for notifications whenever I have new videos posted up so you guys can be updated with me. And yeah, so for today's video, as you can tell, I am doing a huge haul somewhat. This is like somewhat of a collective haul. I don't know how collective because it's only been like the past week, so I guess this will tell you how much I shop. But it is, I guess, accumulated for like the week or so, and most of it is Forever 21, and it is a little bit of maybe like 2 or 3 other brands, but mostly Forever 21. So yeah, let's just get into the video and boom. I don't know, I just grabbed this first bag on the floor, so we're just gonna do this one. So this is from Forever 21, as you can tell. I honestly think one shirt that's in here isn't from Forever 21 because I got it the same day, but my madre bought it for me, and we're at another store, so she just like threw it in my bag because it wasn't her bag. So this one, we're just gonna start with this shirt. This shirt is a Friends shirt, as you can tell, and it's really cute. It's just like a cute little like basic t-shirt. I'll show you guys how it looks on, and it's like super comfy. I believe I got this at Cotton On. Oh wait, the tag's right here. Yeah, I got it at Cotton On, and it's just like cute to be like casual in. I pictured like wearing some jeans with it. You can even kind of like tie it on like your stomach really quick or whatever. It is from Cotton On, and I got this for $14, but I think it was like a 2-for-1 thing, so my mom bought it, and I think it was a little bit cheaper. But yeah, so that's one of the first one, like so. And this is a extra small, so it's not like super tight fitting. It's like kind of just like fitted, but you do have enough room to like tie in the front or whatever. From Forever 21, actually, I got this cute like black, oops, sorry. I got this cute black long sleeve top. It's really cute. It has like little like tie down the middle, so it kind of like crisscross in and out, and it's just like super simple and casual. I really liked it. It's a little bit of a crop, so you can wear this with like high-waisted jeans or just like regular hip hugger jeans and kind of just show your midriff a little bit. I would wear it either way. I think it's really cute on. It's very comfortable, very like casual, but you can dress this up in like 2 seconds if you like want to go out with your girlfriends and like chill, whatever. So yeah, I like this. I thought this was on sale, but it wasn't. So I guess they have like the last chance rack, I guess, something like that. So basically it's like you get it and it's just like the last of it, and it's not on sale, but they tricked me because it had like a blue little dot on it, so I was like, oh, it's on sale. But the girl's like, oh no, what it is, it's just like this is the last size in this type of style, so this is like the last chance style. And I was just like, okay, whatever. So I got that, but it was super cute, so I bought it. This was $12.90, so it wasn't bad of the price, but I just got excited and thought it was on sale. But anyway, this right here is another one. So I didn't try this one on for you guys because it's just a little bit see-through and I don't want to show my whole nipple up on YouTube. And you can either dress this one or 2 ways. Me personally, it's kind of just more like a little bit of a style that I would wear. So it is a cute like black, ooh, my bad. It is a cute black like lace bra, and as you can see, it has like a zipper right here on the bottom, or on the middle, I mean, and it's like a little ring zipper, so it kind of goes like that, and you could kind of maybe pull it down to make a little bit more cleavage or whatever. How I would wear this, since I'm not showing you how I wear it, would basically go 1 or 2 ways. So you can either put like a cute like sweater that kind of like is maybe like a little v-neck and shows like a little bit of lace, or like a cute like mesh top that is kind of see-through. I would wear it like that as outing, or I would also wear it as just like by itself, and with some high-waisted pants, put like a cute little black jacket or another color jacket on, and kind of just like maybe zip it up or button it up and have it off the shoulder, so you're not revealing your whole thing, but you are definitely just kind of like, you know, hey, what's up. Definitely would wear pasties under this because you're not going to really have any like coverage, but I mean, it's cute. I like it. I thought it was really cute. This was actually on sale, and this was only $7, and it was actually $14, so this was a score. I'm pretty small, so this size was, it says size small, but I'm like anywhere from like a 32B to like a 34B, so I feel like I'm pretty small. I think I am a little bit of like itty bitties, but it's cool. Fun size, so we're good. From Forever 21 Egan, we have, okay, so I kind of just bought this sporadically. I was looking around, you know, like you do, like I'm just gonna look, and then I just found it and I was like, oh, this is really cute. So this is a cute, I'm pretty sure you guys see this a lot, especially on their website, and if you go in there, it is cute little cherry black, kind of like, I don't want to say long sleeve, it's maybe like halfway long sleeve, so like quarter sleeve if you want to call it, I'm not too sure. It has cute little embroidered cherries on it, as you can tell, very, very cute, and it is crisscross, so as you see with it on, it's crisscross. It is a little bit low. I would probably recommend putting maybe like a cute little like tank top underneath, or like a half cami top, just to in case of like a slip if your bra shows or whatnot. So it is low, it's very cute, it's very comfy. It's like kind of like the material stretch, and I really, really like this. It was $19.90, which some people are like, oh, it's like 20 bucks, but I feel like they priced it a little up there because it's like sweater material and the embroidery on the cherries, which are very nice. It's not like, you know, little like patch on, it's like embroidered in there. So I thought it was very cute, so I bought that, and you can wear this with like some cute jeans. I thought it was cute because my style is, if you guys know me, I'm a little bit alternative, so I am very into the pinup style, that very 50s genre, if you do follow me, and like if you have known me or do know me, but I also like to switch it up. So I think this is perfect with either like some pair of jeans and like some cute little flats, and you know, just be chill, or in 2 seconds I could put a little pencil skirt and like have this on real quick, and then put like some cute little wedge heels and like curl my hair and be like, hey, what's up, you know. So it's very versatile, either or, you know, that's why I bought it. So I thought it was really cute. So that was just from that one. So I bought these 2 for $8 cute little camis, and I thought they were very, very cute, very adorable. So basically it's just like your little cami crop tops. They look like this, and what I liked about this one is that it's double strap. So as you'll see when I have it on, is you can either just have it together, or you can kind of make it fall off your shoulder or halfway, but it'll end up kind of falling anyways. So either way, it's like both. And I thought it would be it's like a very cute little like, hey, twist on the little tank top. So I thought that was very adorable to have. This was 2 for $8, so of course I also got it in red. Very, very cute, like so. I think it's like, they're just so comfortable, and they're just like so cute to throw on, and they're very easy to match with. This is perfect for the summer, perfect for just like if it's not too hot but it's not cold, it's just in between, and you can throw a little cardigan over it and just be real cute. I really liked it. I like that it had the double straps on it. It just made it like more fun in the sun. So I bought both of them in black and red, or red and black, whatever. So I bought both of them. Well, these my mother bought them for me. They're so cute. So lately I've been kind of rocking some like little studded diamonds, just like cute casual, and I thought they were really pretty. My mom had got me these cute little ones, and they're cubic zirconia, probably not saying that right, I'm probably butchering it, but let me just straighten this real quick. I think it's falling.
Oh my god. Like someone tried to take them off and jack them or something. Look at this. Okay. So
like that. Very, very cute, very like simple, and like you can either like be like dressed up a little bit, or you could be a little dressed down. I just like that they're kind of like dainty, but yet they're big enough for you could see them. So my mom bought me this, and I thought it was so cute of her. Thanks, Mom. Love you. This is from Forever 21. And ooh, this was like a cute little like white scruffled top. Ooh, inside out. Hold on. Okay. So this is like a cute little scrunch top, how it has like in the middle. And I thought this was very cute, like off the shoulder, because how it hugs like the shoulders and how it's like very mini. And as if you can't tell already, I love crop tops, so. But I do gotta hit that gym real quick because I want to stay looking cute in those crop tops. But this is cool just to like throw on with some high-waisted jeans. As you can tell, having on, it's not, the strings are like not too long, so it's like perfect. You can make it tight and make it a little bit shorter, but it does give it like a different little style in it. Very cute, very comfortable. You know what this did remind me of? It reminded me of Callie from Saved by the Bell, because she has like this one little outfit. I don't know if you guys can maybe like remember from one of like her photo shoots type thing, where she has like some high-waisted pants and she has suspenders. I don't know if it's off the shoulder or if it's maybe like a little like tube top, but it's scrunched, and I don't know why this kind of gave me like, oh, that's cute. Like it's not a tube top, but it's like, and I could probably put it with some high-waisted pants, maybe not suspenders, but if I wanted to do that 90s theme, I thought that would be really cute. So definitely Callie vibe in this. I really like it. This top, ooh, I tried it on and I took off the tag on accident, but this top retails for $8.90. So this cute little top is for $8.90. This is from Q fashion store. Got this cute little tube top, and it's very simple but very cute. It's like this little mustardy yellow, and it has buttons going down the middle, and it's a crop, as always. It's a crop, and I liked it. It was very, very cute. It was $12, which I think it was like $11, but it was like $12 with tax, which I think is cute. I mean, I think it's like kind of like thick material, and it hugs you so it doesn't fall, and it looks really cute on. And it's just like a cute color to put on. If I'm saying cute a lot, I'm sorry, but it's cute. So yeah. Real brief. As the black cherry top, they also had it in white. So I didn't know what to pick, so I ended up getting both. So I ordered this online from Forever 21, and very cute. I love the black and the white one, and I thought you could just do so much with very like 1950s cute, like 1950, like hey, like at the beach, or like I like a cute little diner. I just got this cute little vibe in my head, so I was like, this is cute, definitely gonna go to a diner now. And yeah, the cherries pop out way more on this white one, and the lining does too. I think it's like a black or a blue, and this one was also $20, so it's the same price. And yeah, so I didn't know what to choose, so I bought both. And then also from Forever 21 online, two-piece set that I happened to find at Forever 21's online website. I didn't find it in the store, I found it online. So if you do see dog hair on it, I have a pug, I own a pug, they shed a lot. I'll never be hair-free from dog because they shed like crazy. Even if you brush them, they just shed like crazy. So if you want to own a pug, quick like little side note, they shed like crazy bad. Like I wake up and I have hair all over me, like it's everywhere. But so if it does a little bit of hair in it, sorry, but this is what the skirt looks like, and it has a cute little buckle like that, and this is what the top looks like. So as you can see me having it on, it looks like as one together. There's cute little buckles on the side arms, and it's just a very cute two-piece. It has like these little fridgets on the top, basically all over the top and on the skirt. They're like fringed, and it's kind of like this cute little grungy but like edgy two-piece outfit that you can wear either during the day, because some people would. I think it's a very cute fashion statement, especially with the buckles, or real quick 2.5 seconds in the club, at a bar, chilling, or if you're not old enough to drink, at a party. So hey, this two-piece was $48, but I don't know, I liked it. I thought it was worth it. I just bought it, whatever. The first website that I did see that two-piece on, but it was in a completely other color, And I did see the black one first on this website. It is from a website called DOLLS and it's kind of more of an alternative website. It's really cute. The first color that I did see it in was this cute, like, kind of light bubblegum pink. So this is how the skirt looks, and it's a little bit lighter, and this is how the top looks. So you can definitely see more of like the fringe and the belt buckles a little bit better. The style of it, how it looks on, it's very, very cute. I'm not really much of a pink girl, but when I saw it, I was like, okay, Serenity, you gotta get out of your comfort zone. You gotta like step out of that black and like go back into, like, you know, be fun. This size is a small as well. This was way cheaper on DOLLS. I think it was like, how much is this? But it doesn't tell me the price on it for my receipt, but I believe it was like $35. They also had it in black, but for some reason black is always 10 times more expensive. So the black was like, I don't know, $45, I want to say. And I was like, why? They're like the same thing. Like, I'm tripping out. Why is black more expensive? But then I bought it for more money in the long run. I don't know why I did that, but whatever. Also from DOLLS that I had bought is this cute little makeup bag, and it says touch my makeup and die, and it's shaped as a coffin. So it opens up like this, and then inside it says current mood, and you can put your brushes in here like so, and it holds a couple. It holds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it holds up to 5 brushes. And then ooh, you put your makeup right in here. So I thought that was really cute, and it's like pretty steep. So that is from DOLLS. This is originally $22. I think it's pretty good for the price because it's pretty big, pretty huge, and it has like a cute little handle that you can carry it in. So yeah, that website is one of my top websites. DOLLS, what's up? Hit your girl up. I love your website. It's just like the best. So super kudos to them because I will forever and always be a loyal customer. Oh my god. I forgot to say this in the beginning, but if I do sound a little stuffy and like, I am sick. So I'm getting better, but I'm trying to put this video out for you guys because ain't no cold gonna stop me. Next on my list that I did go shopping for, or shopping into, was Journeys, and I bought some shoes, obviously. I was gonna go to Vans for these shoes because they're obviously Vans, but Vans is super, super crowded. Journeys had Vans, so I was like, I'm just gonna get them. I already know what I want. So I got some really cute checkered Vans slip-ons, and they are the burgundy color, but I have the black and white ones, the brighter red ones, and now the burgundy. These were, I believe they're like $48 with tax, was like $50-something. So I can't wait to wear those with some cute jeans and just chill. And one more thing. So me and my madre went into this cute little like Japanese store that was like at, not in the mall, but like on the side of the mall before we got into the mall. I was looking around and I saw this very cute little like Japanese little purse, and it has bamboo little like candlesticks to carry it, and just like this really cute like red and like gold in the middle. I thought this would be very cute with like a cute pinup outfit, like maybe even like a little cute tiki outfit if you want to like switch it up, and like take it to the beach or like the pool, be fun in the sun, or just like wear with a cute outfit and like bam, throw some like cute little Japanese thing in here. I love it. I think it's cute. I love anything with little bamboo stick handles as well. It's also very wide, and it's a fabric like purse, so it holds a lot. It's very wide inside, so it's like that, and it also has a little zipper on the side, so you can put like little stuff in there, and I thought it was cute. My madre bought it for me. It's a little sweetheart, bless her soul. This was originally $12.95, so my mom was like, "I'm gonna get that for you. I'll get it for you." I was like, so sweet. Love you, Mom. If you see this, I love you. So, but that is all that I had bought for this haul. I will be doing another haul soon, but thank you guys so much. And yeah, like I said, click that notification bell so you can stay up with me, subscribe, like, and I love you. So let's be a family. yeah. Alright guys, that is it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.